Hey, James at Eagleman Long Range Shooting School. We have a couple new tools here. This one here mounts on a rifle scope, as you can see, 34 and 30 millimeter. And this one mounts on the spotting scope. And what these are is they're called a tip. And the way it works is, let me turn this one off so I only have one at a time, make life easier. Okay. The way this works is my patent technology for the Eagleman Wind technique is now in this, and it connects automatically to the Eagle Ballistics app. So if we're shooting 1,000 yards, for instance, and I go to devices and I connect it, and basically it's going to say Eagleman Wind Connect. And then, by the way, make sure you have relative to true north turned off when you're using the tip, all right? And I click on meter, it's literally feeding Bluetooth live to the app. So I can set this down near the rifle of my shooter, and I don't even have to tell him the wind. If I look through the spotting scope and I see it's raining outside, I will click on the type of rain. And then when I do, I literally tilt this to the angle of the rain, and you can see it automatically putting an 8.8 mile an hour wind in. So the angle of the rain, in this case, the wind's coming from the right. So it's gonna push it over, it's telling us to push right 5 minutes. Now the rain is coming from the left. Again, I'll kind of show you a little bit. So it's taking the digital number inside of here, which is automatically converting it and sending the live wind speed to the app for wind holds. And if you're using Mirage, you push on the side button, you go to Mirage, click on the type of Mirage you see, which only my students know. And let's say that the wind is coming from the left and the Mirage angle is this. So we got a 3.9 mile an hour wind from the left at 70%, and it's gonna automatically send the information over. So this really helps for spotter, gunner, especially guys running NRL, when you got teams, or if you're hunting with somebody. Again, the shooter can literally have this near the rifle, and all you gotta do is look at the Mirage with the technique that I teach here at my shooting school at Eagleman Long Range Shooting School at Legends Ranch, and I just tilt this to the angle of the Mirage, and it's automatically converting it to a wind speed. If it's raining, again, push the side, switch it over to rain. Let's go to a standard rain, and now the wind's coming from the left, so the rain angle's like this. I can look at the spotting scope, back focus, look at that angle, that's an 8.5 mile an hour wind, and now it's really picking up, so I got an 18 mile an hour wind. The app is saying, again, 18 or 17.58, so it's feeding live wind to the app based on environmentals, rain and Mirage. So real quick, and I hate saying this because this is only for my students, all right? So if you haven't been to my shooting school, you cannot get this technology because I have a patent on it and I have a copyright on my wind technique, the Eagleman Long Range Wind Technique. So if you guys want to learn this and you want to have these tools available for you, you have to come to the Eagleman Long Range Shooting School here at Legends Ranch, and that's longrangelr.com. Otherwise, for you guys who are my students, go ahead and keep checking. I will send out basically an email in the very near future using MailChimp and let you know when these are available. So they come with the brackets. The brackets will go on a spotting scope, and again, the brackets will mount on a rifle scope, as you can see, and they're just 3D prints. So bottom line is they're really lightweight, and then you can tilt these, again, like I teach in class. All right, so hopefully this makes sense. This is called the Eagle Tip, all right? They tip over, and they do a lot of things that I haven't discussed because I'm not gonna give away too much technology on film, and basically only my students know. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later.